This week I'm working on 2 fall paintings for an order. I'm working on the orange sparkle pumpkin that you see me starting here, and the jack-o'-lantern. It feels so special to be painting them right here in the week of Halloween. As selling artists, we usually get our holiday orders months ahead of time, so we're painting Christmas in the fall and pumpkins in the summer. But these orders landed perfectly in season, and I feel very thankful for that. I hope you'll stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how both of these pieces came together. I think you'll enjoy seeing how different they are, even though they share the same palette and many of the same painting techniques. There's something nice about being able to slow down and enjoy the colors that are actually outside the window right now. To paint the fall pumpkins while they're still decorating neighborhood houses. The timing reminded me why I love this so much. It's the week of Halloween, the trees are full of bright oranges and golds. I can make a cup of coffee, turn on a little Halloween music, and just start painting. Before long, I'm lost in it, in the colors and the brush strokes and the quiet rhythm of it all. Each layer has its own purpose, its own job to do. The base coats always test my patience. Every single painting. It's that messy stage where everything feels uncertain, and I start to wonder if it's ever going to come together. This is the stage where it's easy to get frustrated. Don't give up. Keep going. The next layers begin. Each brushstroke gets clearer, and things start to shift. The colors start to work together. The shapes make more sense, and I can finally see a glimpse of where it's headed. It's easy to rush through busy weeks like this with many orders to fill and a new class to start filming. Instead, I just let myself settle in and enjoy the moment. The way my hand and brush move together is like a little dance. Turning the brush to lay down the next layer of color, watching it blend, and seeing the piece slowly come together layer after layer. Every brushstroke is a little experiment. I'm carefully watching for what brush movement works, what color is just the perfect tone of orange so I can carry it around to the other areas of the painting. Now I'm starting to build in some very light highlights. I'm beginning here with a color that's a little too light, almost but not quite pure white. It never looks quite right at first, but I know this layer is what I need to make the next ones glow. When I add the transparent yellow over the top later, it'll shine in a way that only happens when that bright base is underneath. This is the part of the process that I really love. When the highlights start being added, I can relax because the foundation of my painting is there. Now I can paint my favorite part, the details. As I start to settle in these highlights, I'm paying attention to how much paint is in my brush. That makes all the difference. I always keep a paper towel in my hand, and between brush strokes, I gently pinch the paint out of my brush. It keeps the color from building up too fast and getting out of control. Don't forget to use your mediums here. I'm using a combination of airbrush medium and extender medium to help the paint glide a little easier. I sometimes run a mostly dry brush just along the edge of the highlights, letting just a little touch of medium help me soften the edge. This is the part where I really slow down and the brush does the work, letting those light tones settle softly into the layers underneath instead of sitting on top. hope in this busy season you give yourself permission to slow down and paint without feeling the pressures of the clock or the next deadline. It's so easy to get caught up in what's next, but the real beauty is in the moments right in front of us. The brush in your hand, the colors mixing on the palette, and the quiet time you get to spend creating. Enjoy that part, not just the finished art.